So for today's trade of the day, we're going to take a look at dollar against the Swiss franc. Really interesting buy opportunity set up yesterday. So we're just going to delve into that detail and see how we could be trading it.
So we're going to look at dollar Swiss, and there was a buying opportunity from last night. So it all came up in our scan that we identified, looking for opportunities with a sniper disc there. So what we've got here is a buying opportunity. Say it's the daily chart, 5th of February. And you can see that we've got an ascending weekly trend, an ascending chart pattern. The momentum of this market is higher. The daily trend, that blue line, is also pushing higher too. So what we're seeing here is the red and green line here. So the green line's resuming those dominant directions, if you like. So there's a lot of things suggesting higher prices, and now the market is just turned up again. So that's what's generating the buy. Now let's get into a bit more of the sort of the detail, really, shall we? So one of the things that we look for a trade is, well, we have for our target, we'll have our starter target, which is like a minimum target that the system would expect this price to go. We also have an extended target as well, which is again based on certain data of where we'd expect a decent move to get to as well. But as a more experienced trader, what you tend to do is start to look for areas of resistance where the market is likely to pause and stop. So what would that be? What sort of things do we look for? Well, we look for the last area of resistance. Okay, so that's identified on the previous highs, and you see those numbers plotted. That's the key price from which the market rejected that last move. So for example, this high here back on the 23rd of January was rejected off 86.88, and the dotted line there, that dotted red line going across, well, what you can see is we've already closed above that line. That is great because it means we've already taken out the key price from which we fell a couple of weeks prior. So this is a really strong move. We love to see that because it's already showing some strength. So the next area of resistance from there is that previous one, 87.96. So I'm just going to pull that down to that dotted line, okay, and that's where my target is. Okay, so we're looking for the last area of resistance. Yes, a new trader can go with the starter target. You can look for the extended target, but as you become a bit more experienced, look for something chart specific. We burst through that last area of resistance. This is the next area where we might be likely to find some sort of congestion. That's a good area for a target. So there you go.
So I hope you found that useful. If you want to check out more trades from Trendsignal, check out our webinar. You can book in where we go through a live session, go through lots of trading opportunities coming up, and teach you our trading strategy in full. So hopefully we'll see you in a future event soon.